Flared is the ultimate add-on for Blender, designed to create stunning lens flare effects like no other. Launched in 2019, it has quickly evolved into its latest iteration, Flared2, trusted by thousands of users worldwide. With Flared2, you can work in real time directly within Blender's viewport. Whether you're using Eevee or Cycles, customize over 120 parameters to craft the perfect lens flare, all through an intuitive and seamless workflow. What sets Flared2 apart is its anamorphic flare functionality, allowing you to achieve those cinematic widescreen effects with ease. Create, save, and reuse your own presets, or render your flares separately for external compositing. Flared2 gives you the flexibility you need. And the best part? Free support and updates are included with every purchase, exclusively available on Blender Market, soon to be Superhive. Elevate your Blender projects with Flared2, where creativity meets precision and cinematic visuals come to life.